Good day to you, friends. Today, the question that has come is, what is the connection between Rashi and Nakshatras? How do they complement each other? First thing we should understand is that Nakshatras are permanent in the zodiac. There are millions and millions of nakshatras. Out of this, we have taken a group of 27 groups of nakshatras. Some nakshatras will be 1, some nakshatras will be 2, 3, 6, 10, like that. One nakshatra, Sadabhishaka nakshatra, is 100. It's a group. And from the equinox, 8 degrees above towards north and 8 degrees below towards south, there is a band. In that band, whatever nakshatra groups are coming, we have considered them as influencing the earth. So nakshatras are permanent, planets are permanent in the zodiac system. So how to locate them is a big question that is to be answered. So when you imagine a circular band, divide it into 12 portions. The circular band is 360 degrees. So divide them into 12 portions and each is 30 degrees. And these 12 signs are called Rashi. They have been divided in such a fashion that all the 27 group of nakshatras are being covered within these 12 signs, 12 Rasis. How to divide these 27 nakshatras into 12 rasis? It is not possible. So what they have done, each nakshatra has been given an approximate space, angular space of 13 degrees 20 minutes. So when you multiply 27 into 13 degrees 20 minutes, you get 360 degrees. That is an approximate portion. And this 13 degrees 20 minutes has been divided into 4 parts. Each part consisting of 3 degrees 20 minutes. So when you divide each nakshatra into 4, multiplying this into 27, you will get 108. So this 108 can be divided into 12, divided by 12, which makes 9 into each sign. These 4 divisions of nakshatras are called 4 padas. So in every Rashi you will have 9 padas. That means, for example, you take Mesha Rashi, Ashwini, 1, 2, 3, 4. Bharani, 1, 2, 3, 4. Next one is Kritikai. First padam will be there within that sign. Then the Kritikai is 2, 3, 4. Then Rohini, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then Mrigasirsham, 1 and 2 will be in the next sign. It is like this, they have been divided. So nakshatras are called mansions, that is constellations. And these mansions are provided in all the 12 signs, as I said earlier. When Ashwini, Bharani and Kritikai first padam remains in Mesha, that is the connection between these nakshatra padas with the sun. This is the relationship between them, and it is a very deep subject for which we have to go in depth about the role played by nakshatras and the signs and the rasis. So we will discuss it in a later. But they have this type of relationship. Good day to you. Ram Ram.